Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to play music through your speakers while also connected to your headphones on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to connect your headphones to your computer. And then once you're done doing that, go ahead and open up the search menu and search for Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select the sound item, so go ahead and open that up. And now, for whatever playback device is listed in here, you want to right click on it. Again, this is going to be your speaker device, and you want to set it to set as default communication device, assuming you have multiple speakers connected. And then once you're done with that, you would go ahead over to the recording tab, and you would right click on the stereo mix option. So now you're going to right click on the device you want your audio output to come out of, and you're going to select properties. You select the listen tab and then playback through this device. Click inside the drop down, and then you'll select speakers, high definition audio devices. And then once you're done with that, you go ahead and select apply and OK. Again, whatever device you want to be the output, that's what you would do that for. And that's pretty straightforward. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.